everyone, this is Cindy from Shenandoah Papercraft. I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to share with you these two absolutely gorgeous rose-themed digital kits from two of my favorite creators. I'm making both of these into tall journals. This first one here, this is a kit by Heather at Ruby and Pearl XO, and it's called Yellow Roses, and I will link this kit below. There are lovely images of roses in mainly yellow, but there are other colors mixed in as well. And what I've done is I've printed them on both sides. So let me flip through here really quick. Just very soft, beautiful pictures. I've interspersed some avocado dyed papers in here that I'll be using. But they're just beautiful, beautiful downloads. Look at that gorgeous, bright, mustardy kind of yellow. And these are going to be the tall journals. So I'll be folding them over. Heather has mentioned in several videos that she loves printing on linen paper. So I thought I'd give it a try, and I bought the box that she recommended, and I printed both kits on this linen paper. And let me tell you, Heather is so right. The paper gives your printables such a soft, almost muted look, and there's a beautiful texture on here. Let me see if you can see that texture. Very soft, and the paper feels really buttery, and it also prints out beautifully on regular paper. This is the regular, just like the premium white paper, and this is the linen. You can see they're both very vibrant and come out beautifully on either one. You can see the slight color difference. This is a bit more muted. This is a little bit more brighter on the regular paper. And then this kit is by Lidia from Raindrop Lila, and it's called Parisian Tall Journal. It's in a beautiful vintage French style with roses, lovely ladies, old letters, advertisements. And so a flip through these would be just very soft, very vintage pinks and creams. And again, I'm interspersing it with some avocado dyed paper. A little map of Paris here. This imagery is, I just can't say enough about it. It's all in French. And I'm going to, of course, link this kit below. And I'm excited to play with both of these, and I'll be adding in other pages and some ephemera as well. And part of that ephemera, I wanted to show you this too, the difference between the regular paper and the linen. This is the linen, and you can see I hope you can see the lines, the hatch mark. Oh, it's better on this side maybe. But this is the linen paper, and this is the regular paper. So again, this is a bit more muted and softer, and the white premium paper is brighter and a little bit deeper colors. So either one works beautifully. I wanted to show you this book that I had in mind for both of these books because they're both about roses. And it's called Vintage Roses, and I got this at our local flea market for $1, and it's just full of beautiful, beautiful roses. Oh, look at that. And I marked a couple that I thought I might use. Isn't this perfect for this kit? The old pink faded roses. And I thought this one would go fantastic with Heather's kit. It's got the same sort of flowers here. And again, the soft roses for Lydia's kit. And here's some more yellow, and look on the back side is pink. It's just beautiful. Anyway, those are the vintage roses. And I have plenty of ephemera to add to both of these. For example, I pulled a lot of vintage postcards here that would go great in either one of them. I love this lady. She's going in Lydia's. And this is going in Heather's. These beautiful, they're all 1911. 1903. And I don't see it. Oh, 1909 on this one. So they're all gorgeous roses cards here. For the covers, I want something obviously a little sturdier, because when you fold it like this, they're very soft pages. So what I found at Walmart, and it was only like $6 or so, was this pad of paper, and it's two-sided. Everything's printed on two sides, and it's sturdier cardstock. It's it doesn't say the weight of it on here, but there are, for example, look at this gorgeous pink cardstock print. And, oh, this is the back side of it. You get a few of each design. So I thought that would go good as a cover for this. And for the yellow, where did it go? This one, it's got the palest rose lace on here, and pale yellow lace on the back side. Might be hard to see in the camera because it's glary, but it's very, very pretty and pale. So that would go on Heather's kit as a cover. So that's my plans, and I hope to get the finals to you within the next week or two. I plan on working on them both at the same time, going back and forth. So hopefully they'll both be done at the same time, and I can do like a double flip through. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.